It's my life.
How's it going, YouTube? Reshmi's Rasta here, the channel where we talk about, well, everything. And here's a short video on how I'd like to call how to get rid of haters. Now, it's a very interesting topic to say the least. How do we get rid of them? They're in our YouTube comments, our Instagram comments, fatso, Facebook comments, hell, they're probably even in our mailbox if they know our address. But what are we supposed to do? How are we supposed to get rid of them? Fear not, my friends. I have the way to get rid of them. It's easy. What you need to do is be nothing. Do nothing. Achieve nothing. Never strive to get out of your comfort zone. Be a prisoner to everyone's thoughts and beliefs and have none of your own. Have no free will of your own. Don't live your life. Die an early death. So, my friends, these are the ways you can deal with not having any haters. These are the ways you can deal without not having to deal with haters. Be nothing. Because remember, haters only hate you when you're trying to achieve something.